Hi, my name is Barb Hush. I work for the Door County Library at the Forestville branch in Forestville, Wisconsin. And I was looking for a craft for your kids today to show you how to do something that includes a winter clothing theme. It's cold, it's January, it's Wisconsin. Of course, the kids have to put on mittens and big jackets and boots and hats and scarves and everything to keep them warm when they go outside. So I came up with a craft that I happened to see online. I mean, I have to admit I got the idea from somewhere, but it's to make a winter hat. And it's just a simple paper craft. That's usually what I do because I figure if you're sitting at home and you have children, that's the easiest thing to have on hand is paper and glue and crayons and some simple art craft supplies like that. So I saw this idea for making winter hats. And I started out with this picture of a winter hat, like this. And I got it online. And you can just freeform this, I'm sure you can just draw this yourself. And then I colored it like this, and I cut it out. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to glue pom-poms here and here, or cotton balls, whatever you have, pom-poms or cotton balls. And when I colored, I just want to give you a little tip. I guess I don't know if I missed the lesson on coloring or what, but I did not know that if you use a color sideways, you get this texture that is on here. And first I colored with blue here, with sideways with my crayon. And then I took the green one and I colored on top of it. And it gave it this two-tone effect. And I think that really made it look pretty. So, and then I'm going to glue this up here. And I'm going to glue some of these along the bottom. And I'll do it real quickly here. And I will show you what that will look like. Hopefully they'll all stick on. You know, when you use pom-poms or cotton balls, you have to use lots of glue or they won't stay on. That's what I've learned. So I'm going to put lots of glue. And I know the kids like this part. They like using lots of glue. I use that much glue. Okay, and now I'm going to stick my pom-poms and my cotton balls on here. Or you could have just, if you just liked the way it looked when it was colored, you could have just left it like that too. You do not have to do this. And there you go. There's my winter hat. You could also make mittens. The other thing would be to just cut out a pair of mittens and do the same thing for the cuffs. Use your little cotton balls. So, thank you. Happy crafting. Have fun making a winter hat. Bye.